Thank you very much.
Tim's like, Rebecca's got wings on the grill for his day when we get back. Dave's like,
Thank you.
This song, it's been a little while, but this song, this is confusing to me, this song.
You?
But,
He can make anything sound like
don't try to
music.
get too groovy.
Come on, Dave.
Just don't try.
Thanks, Tim. Do it.
What is it gonna be, honey? What is it gonna be? I know you know.
No, I
But
don't
this
know.
song, this song was inspired when I was sitting with my son when he was small, and we were staring at the stars, and I was trying to tell him how far away.
Swim?
Like, what
And
was it called?
as far as I know, I did an okay job. But it used to give me nightmares when I was a kid, trying to imagine something
Blue. It's
that,
called Blue.
if you were
Blue?
going as fast as the speed of light,
Oh,
it would take you 65,000 years to get to the closest
No,
one.
it can't be.
Whatever. That's long. Or maybe 600 to get the closest star or whatever. But that's too far. That's another thing that makes me wonder about eternal hell burning fire. It seems, in all this magnificence, why would
Happy hour.
things be so
Did
petty?
you pay him?
I did. Thank you, Carlos.
Thank you. See you tomorrow.
Gracias.
Okay, same thing over there tomorrow.
See you.
Yes.
Yes, tomorrow.
Right. Right here?
Tomorrow you're working
Right
over
here.
there.
How
Yes.
far you big if you take that. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
If I could fly the speed of light, I could get the kind of spending
You're right.
years. Butterflies and black and bluebirds, I'll never be the same as go. Pennies thrown into a fountain, make a wish, blow out the candles, take a breath. God is troubling if you consider believers that would welcome the end of the world. Got a job and it pays me. I want love more than I deserve. I read the paper, it makes me crazy. There's gotta be a way to make it work. Oh, I said stardust, look at us crawling out the mud. Let's go around the park, we'll make the most of all the cheers up. Dreamers, the big talk, higher wise, the circus never stops. I said stardust, look at you crawling out the mud.